Navotas Representative Toby Tiangco called for scrutiny to the House budget from previous years to ensure the transparency in the proposed funds for 2027. Daniela Paulite has the details.
On the first day of the House deliberations on the proposed 2027 budget, Navotas Representative Toby Tiangco early unquestioned why the House of Representatives budget does not undergo pre-plenary deliberations, unlike other government agencies. In an interview with SMNI News, Tiangco insisted that the House must show and explain to the public how its funds were spent in 2025 and 2026, as well as the basis for the proposed 17.6 billion pesos budget for 2027. He noted that if it doesn't go through pre-plenary deliberations, there will be no explanation of how previous budgets were spent, where they went, and what served as the basis for the requested amount.
Pag sa plenaryo na lang, papaano kami magtatanong? Ang makikita lang namin is yung proposal ng budget na nasa NEP. Hindi namin matatanong papaano nyo ba ginastos yung nakaraang budget.
He emphasized that the House budget must undergo the same scrutiny process for the sake of transparency. According to him, the House budget increased significantly after congressional deliberations from over 16 billion pesos in the 2025 National Expenditure Program or NEP. It rose to 33 billion pesos in the General Appropriations Act.
If we want transparency from all departments, dapat kami ang maging halimbawa. Kasi yung budget nang gagaling sa amin kaming nagbubusisi ng budget ng lahat ng departamento. Tapos yung budget namin mismo, ayaw nilang ipabusisi. 'Di ba? Parang lokohan naman yata yun, 'di ba? Nasaan yung accountability doon kung mismo yung budget namin ayaw nilang ipabusisi?
For 2027, from 17.6 billion pesos in the NEP, the House allocated budget reached 27 billion pesos. Tiangco further insisted that if the House has nothing to hide, it should present its funds just like any other government agency.
So ganun din dapat ang sa House of Representatives. Paano nyo ginastos yung budget ng 2025? Ano ang status ng paggastos ng 2026? Ano ang mga plano at programa na gagawin kaya't kailangan nyo nitong budget na ito. Di ba? Para pagdating naman sa susunod na taon, tatanong natin, nasunod nyo ba yung mga plano at programa nyo para sa House of Representatives, di ba? So, hindi ko maintindihan ayaw, di ba, bakit pa kailangan pag-usapan sa leadership yon kung papayag o hindi. Ang hinihingi lang naman natin is transparency.
Meanwhile, the lawmaker admitted that public trust in the budget cannot be easily restored due to the past anomalies.
Kapag hindi po na kasuhan ng plunder si former Speaker Martin Romualdez, hindi talaga babalik yung tiwala ng tao. Tanggapin natin yan. Number 2, dito sa budget process, dapat talaga full transparency, di ba? Kasi yung accountability comes with transparency.
House Appropriations Committee Chair Mika Swansing meanwhile said they will submit Tiangco's request to subject the House budget to pre-plenary review to the House leadership for consideration. Reporting for Newsline World, Daniela Paulita, SMNI News.